Hi, everyone. I'm Mira, and I'm so excited to be your host for this brand new series on our channel. In this series, we're going to uncover the hidden secrets of English, especially those sneaky little things called phrasal verbs. Today, we're exploring some powerful phrases with look. Phrases you hear all the time, but maybe never really thought about. Ready to unlock the mystery? Let's begin. Let's start with look after. Look after means to take care of someone or something. We usually use look after when someone is responsible for someone or something. Examples: I need to look after my baby while she's sick. He looks after the garden every weekend. Now let's move on to look for. Look for means to try to find something or someone. We use look for when we are trying to find something or someone, like keys, jobs, or even answers. Examples: I'm looking for my wallet. They are looking for a new apartment. Next up, we have look up. And this one has two meanings. First meaning, to search for information. We use this when searching in a dictionary, online, or anywhere similar. Examples: I looked up the word in the dictionary. Please look up the address before you go. Second meaning, to improve a situation. We use it when talking about things getting better. Examples: after the rain, the weather began to look up. Her grades are looking up this semester. Moving on to look out. Look out means to be careful or watchful about something. We use it when warning someone about danger or risk. Examples: look out. There's a car coming. You should look out for scams online. And finally, look into. It means to investigate or examine something carefully. We use it when talking about research or solving a problem. Examples: the police are looking into the case. I'll look into that issue and get back to you. All right, guys, that was fun. Now, these look phrases won't confuse you anymore. Try them out, use them in your own sentences, and drop your questions in the comments. More cool secrets coming up next episode.